Hey, what's good, guys? Today we're gonna do a quick unboxing and look at the NIX or NIX 8-inch widescreen digital frame. This says basically you can enjoy all your photos and videos, simple plug and play, hue motion sensor, turns the frame on when you enter the room and off when you leave. Alright. Plug and play simplicity, view all your photos and videos from your SDHC card. Hue motion sensor turns the frame on when you enter the room and off when you leave. Play photos and 720p HD videos. It's the model number, frame dimension, screen resolution, 1280 pixels by 800. Port slot compatibility, plus USB 2.0. Supported frame formats, JPEG, JPG, supported video formats, MP4, HD 720 pixels. All right. Alright, so inside the box, of course, we have our manuals, welcome, instructions, share your experiences, write a review. Obviously, this was purchased off of Amazon, and I will be sharing the link with you in the video description after this video is posted. Alright, earn rewards. You can sign up for a nixplay.com account and earn rewards on any of your NIX Play or NIX product purchases. So that's cool. Alright, so here we go. In the box, we have the actual frame itself, and this is how it's wrapped. We have a remote. So if you have this plugged on your wall, you can control the slideshow from anywhere within the room. You don't have to go up to it. So that's really cool, like that. And then you have your power. Simple enough, right? Alright, so let's go ahead and get rid of this. Now let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Right, here's the back, your SD card, USB 2.0, headphone jack, and your power outlet, 5-volt power outlet. Model number, and I guess you can activate a 12-month warranty if you want it as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the sticker. It's hard to do with one hand, sorry about that. Much better. Alrighty. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in, and we'll give it a quick look and see how it boots up and whatnot. Alright. Just a second. And get the power cable plugged in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and plug in the power. Plug in the power cable. And there we go. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is go into settings. Let's see what's in there, guys. Okay, so this is a touchscreen, so what we're going to have to do is use a mouse to navigate. So that's what the 2.0 is. So give me just a second here. You know I have a mouse on deck, always. So I have one of my portable mouses. I have many of them. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. All right. Interesting. All right, so I guess that's not how we're controlling it. Okay, actually I see there's some buttons on the back, and I guess you can also use, yeah, there's some buttons on the back, and then also, I guess that's the remote. Forgot about that. That's what you can do. You can use the remote for that. First time using this, so. Alright, so let's get right into it, and here's the settings. Alright, so you can control your brightness, contrast, saturation, hue. You can rotate the screen, slideshow effect, slideshow interval, slideshow order, screen modes, and I think that's it for this column. So we'll go back up, we'll move across. Here's the time, date. You can control the format, whether you want it in 12 hours, 24 hours, calendar format, year, time. And you can control whether or not you want a clock on your slideshow. Then we're going to move over to general, and basically you can control the language, media priority, USB. Let's go into that for a minute. So you have USB, SD. So that's whether or not you want to load using the a USB or a flash drive, or whether or not you want to use an SD card. Alright, you can have it autoplay, movie repeat mode, so you can have it repeat over and over, audio volume, mute all media, motion sensor, and then that's it for this. So then you have sleep modes, sleep schedule, on, off, So you can do create a sleep schedule on whether or not when you want it to be on, when you want it to turn off. So that's really cool. This way, if you have this maybe in your bedroom, you may the light may disturb your sleep. So you may want to just have it off during your sleeping hours so you can get the rest that you well deserve. All right. There's display. Brightness. Okay. And that is where you're seeing the buttons there. So now if you just click, there's the up down, the play, there's the menu. I'm not sure if you guys can see it well on camera, but there's menu, and then there's your power. You can power it off. The menu is how you can get in and out of these tabs. So if you're in, you click menu and it takes you back to the start screen. So now you see I can click play. I haven't loaded any photos, so you're not going to see anything. But if I was, this is where it would play. And it's really cool. This is my first time using this, but I've seen an example of it, and that's why it was purchased. Looks cool. Great little gift idea, especially with the holidays coming up. Maybe you have a friend that just got married, or you have maybe you just had a baby. You can load all your precious photos in there. Really cool. Nice little thing for your home to give it a nice, elegant, comfortable feel. So, all right, let's go ahead and get to back out. And then there's your calendar, which is really cool. Looks just like a Windows background. And look at that. So you can see the background on your calendar even changes, which is really nice. Again, first time using it, only saw examples of it until today. So, I'll let you guys know how it pans out. If I like it, in a later video, I'll let you guys know whether or not it's a keeper or not. First impressions, it's a cute little thing, cute little idea to have your sentimental pictures. Again, I'll leave a link for the description. I'll leave a link for the product in the description. And as always, thanks for watching and have a good one. Take care, guys. Until the next one. Bye.